cooked right now. One was 10 on a railroad track, that would be cooked. They would have.
This train, CN train, was so long that they had to detach the train twice to make it fit in the rail yard. We have never seen that done twice before on a train. So that was pretty cool. And then they put a flashy blinky light on the back of this one.
It's not going here. It's going to
So yeah, there's the second part that they detached, and then the first part was on the other side. Very cool.
Man, I'm getting so many reports of trains.
You are?
Right now I'm signaling in the go.
Oh, yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
There's my friend standing by the train. That's my friend over there.
Is that your friend over
Standing.
there? Oh.
Standing
Yeah.
at the train.
Gotcha. They've got a front row seat right there to watch the train.
No, that's actually those two cars. Not my
There's
friend.
the two CNs.
My
There's
friend.
the front.
Mom, my friend has
Okay.
that. Mom, are you listening?
Yes, I
My
am.
friend has that truck, and he's messing with that. I said, those two have that car.
Oh.